Hi everyone, let's continue with few more example on designing of DFA. Here question is design DFA to accept all string where A as a substring. First identify the condition. Here condition mentioned that string should contain A as a substring. So based on the condition try to write the minimum length string. Here as per the condition A should be the first minimum length string as A is present there as a substring. Or we can say after this A any symbol can come. If B is coming, it's okay, it's valid because A is present. Or it may happen that before A B's can come, still it's valid because A is present. Single B can come or multiple B's can come. So all are these valid strings. Once we have written the minimum length string, start designing DFA. Here Q0 is starting state. First try to design DFA for the first string A. For A, automata should go to the final state because it's a valid string as it contains A as a substring. So Q0 reading the A, it's going to final state Q1. So A gets accepted. After this, as I mentioned in previous videos, once you design DFA for the main condition A as a substring, now start making DFA as a deterministic. What is deterministic? There should be one transition for each symbol of sigma. From Q0 there is a transition for A, but there is no transition for B. So I told you the uniform method. How to make any state deterministic? Write down the name of the state which you want to make deterministic. You are trying to find transition for B. How to reach to Q0 from starting state? How to reach to final state from Q0? Starting state to Q0, nothing because Q0 itself is a starting state. Q0 to final, we need to read the A. Write it. Check. Is this valid string? Yes, it contains A. Q0 is looking for single B or double B are also allowed. Yes, double B also allowed because our condition is on substring A. Before A, any number of B's can come. Maybe 1, 2, 3 or 100 or 0 B's can come. It means what? Epsilon. This is the conceptual way that you need to follow because Q0 is looking for 1 B or many B's or 0 B's. It means what? There is a scenario 0 or many. Q0 is looking for 0 or many B's, and as I mentioned in previous videos, whenever there is a scenario for 0 or many, you need to give the self loop. At which state? State is Q0. For which symbol? Symbol is B because there are 0 or many B's. You can follow this way for the conceptual understanding. Once you understand everything, you can follow the short trick also. How to write it? In this case, we are looking for A. A should be substring. Before this A, any number of B's can come. Maybe 0 number of B's or many number of B's. No issue. It means what? 0 or many B's. Hence there is a self loop. After this A, any number of A's are come. It's okay, it's possible. Maybe 1A, 2A or 3A. Or after this A, many number of B's can come. It's possible. Maybe 0 number of A's or 0 number of B's. Maybe multiple A's or maybe multiple B's. So once you read this A, before reading this A, after reading this A, 0 or many possibilities there for both, for A's as well as for both. The way I explain here, similarly you can implement this also. So in this case at Q1, you can give the self loop for A as well as for B. In the exam you can follow this way. For conceptual understanding you can follow this way. And this is a unique way. This is applicable for all types of examples. It may be easy or it may be complex. Start writing the path, how to reach to Q0 from starting state, how to reach to final state from the Q0. You will understand whether there is a self loop or whether it's moving to some other state. You can practice similar kind of example where string contain 1 as a substring. In the next session we will learn how to design DFA to accept all the strings where AB as a substring. Thank you for watching.